Chapter 3 Acupressure. Open your mouth wide and peek into the mirror. You won't see any traffic lights, stop signs, or speed posts. Nevertheless, acupressurists say, there, because the human body is a network of highways and byways called meridians. These meridians weave through every one of the body's vital organs, through the bloodstream, through the bones, and through the muscles. Along these roads travel not cars and trucks, but Kai, the body's vital force. You can't see, smell, or hear Kai, and modern scientists have found no proof that it exists. But according to the teachings of ancient Chinese medicine, Kai is something you can touch. That's what acupressurists do. With a touch of their fingers, they say they can influence the flow of Kai and, most important, break up the occasional traffic jams that can rob you of vitality and good health. Unlike brain surgeons or cardiologists, acupressurists say theirs is a simple art, one you can easily learn to do yourself and to yourself. The only thing you need to learn, and the thing you will learn in the following pages, is where on your body to find Kai. To become a competent self-acupressurist, you won't have to memorize every twist and turn of each one of your body's many meridians. That would get too complicated. You'll only need to learn how to find a few points along your highway system of meridians. These are the entrance and exit ramps for Kai. You can find them just below the skin. They are the tubos or acupressure points.